Here I have programmed in RS Logix 5000 a one-button garage door opener control. Then next to this is another program for another routine for the door simulation. So I have all the logic programmed here, and added to that, I have a HMI designed with Factory the Factory Studio, and here I have the garage door here, and the upper limit switch and the lower limit switch, and then have the illumination lamp here. And now with everything working, I'm going to show you this the panel view terminal. Now this is the training kit we use here. Then I'm going to use this first switch as the button, the opener button. So I'm going to start moving it. So the door is moving up. And if I flip on the switch, again, it stops the door. Then I push the button again, it goes up. Once it's going up, then once it's fully opened, the upper limit switch now line up. Then if I push the button again, the door goes down. Okay, and it keeps going down. Then once it's fully closed, the lower limit switch line up, and during this time, the illumination lamp will keep turned on for a few more seconds, then turn off. Okay, that's the simple HMI program for the garage door control and the simulation. Hope this helps.